ẹ̀yin ènìyàn wa.
Kí Elédùmarè ṣàánú fún wa ni o, àwọn ará ìlú ti sá lọ tán o. Wọ́n ti lé àwọn èèyàn jáde nínú ìlú tán o, bí àwọn agbésùnmọ̀bí bí wọ́n ṣe ya wọ agbègbè yìí. Àwọn èèyàn lẹ́ni tí wọ́n fẹsẹ̀ rìn lọ yìí, ẹjọ́ bo ni wọ́n mórí mú báyìí, ibo ni wọ́n kọrí sí báyìí o. Ilé ò ṣe ń gbé, ọ̀nà gan ò ṣe ń dúró sí ni fún ará ìlú ní báyìí.
Nigeria government, there are more than 3,000 people in this community that have been sacked. Guy, these people no pass 3,000.
That's 3,000.
These people are more than 6,000 several. Look at how people like they have sacked them from their community.
And we don't drive for like how many minutes now? I think they're lying
See
up.
people. I thought
This is Benue,
this is
Nasarawa.
Gada Wudu.
Right
So-
now we are in Nasarawa.
All those people left behind.
Those people now, maybe they don't even know what is going on yet.
Guy, there is problem in this country.
See, I'm overload, sir, because of where they heading to. Where would they?
Where are they heading to? They don't even know. Most of them, they don't have shelter again. Guy, this is bad. Very, very bad. The common people are the ones suffering. The poor masses. And most of these things happen prior to election. These big men, all these politicians, their children are abroad now studying. Their children, just look at this one with her baby. Where are we heading to in this country? Where are we heading to? Guy, are you seeing what is happening here? Look at how people are crying. It's very bad.
I think what happened to them, inside village it happened.
We're inside village now.
Àṣàkẹ́ TV show.